Affiliate marketing versus network marketing. What is the difference and where should you be spending your time in 2024? So we're going to be talking about the state of network marketing, but also diving into what affiliate marketing is so that you guys can understand where it is you should be spending your time and if you should be doing both or if you should just be doing one or the other. And if you're new to me, my name is Julie Reynolds. I help online marketers build a business online. I've been doing it for over a decade. And what I want to do is I want to talk about the difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing, because I think sometimes some of these network marketing companies are calling themselves affiliate when at its core, it's really not affiliate. It's actually a network marketing company and vice versa, right? So affiliate marketing is typically a one and done sale, right? So what does that mean? It means that I give you a link to a product, or I give you a link to a course or some sort of online marketing strategy. I get the sale from that, and then that's done. If you go and sell it to somebody else, I don't get paid off of that sale that you do, right? So if I sell it to my mom and my mom sells it to her friend Carol, I don't get paid off of Carol. I only get that one and done from my mom sale, right? Network marketing is a little bit different. Network marketing is I would get paid off of Carol's sale, I would get paid off of my mom's sale, and I would get paid off of, Jane's sale that Carol got. So it's levels deep, right? Net affiliate marketing at its core is one level deep. And anybody that tells you, oh, it's 3 levels deep, but it's not network marketing, that's not true. That is network marketing. So if you are making money off of your team, then it is a network marketing company. Now, you've got to be careful because a lot of network marketing companies will not let you build multiple network marketing companies. They only want you building one network marketing company, right? But you can affiliate with whoever you want to affiliate. So what is the difference between the two? And network marketing is changing, and a lot of these companies like Roden and Fields and Beauty Counter, they're going straight affiliate, which means they got rid of the team building side. So that means that yes, you can still sell their products, but you don't earn a commission off of your team. You're only getting commission off of your own personal sales that happen, right? So that is a true affiliate program. Network marketing, like so many of these other companies, are, you get paid off of your team. So what is the difference and where should you really be spending your time? I get this question a lot from people, right? There's all this new online marketing where you can earn 100% commission off of your orders for online courses, right? There's the MRR, there is, all these new pop-up things that are coming where you're earning like, a high ticket affiliate commission, sometimes onwards to up to 100% commission, right? Which is very alluring and very, very exciting for so many people. But then what about the residual piece? So I have personally done both, and I actually recommend doing both. But I recommend that when you're looking at an affiliate program, you're looking at it because you've got this audience that you've built, and you want to make sure that it's best for your audience, right? You don't want to look at a product just because you're like, ooh, I could make a lot of money. That is not sustainable. Yes, if I did the MRR, I could probably make a lot of money with my audience, but I don't personally think that the program is worth the money that you're paying for it. So I personally would not promote it. So when you're looking for an affiliate opportunity, you want to make sure that you are affiliating with something that you truly believe in, that you truly think provides value for your audience, right? Because you're not going to be getting any of the residual piece of things. Now, with the network marketing, what I love about the network marketing is I love the reoccurring income that comes in month after month after month from your team, right? So that's the team building side of things. So with the company that I'm at, and if you want to know more about the different programs that I'm in, definitely in the description of this video, I'm going to have a link for you to message me. I'm happy to share more about my affiliate companies that I'm with and my network marketing companies that I'm with. I'm an open book, so definitely feel free to message me. Ask me any questions. I'm going to leave the link for you right here. It's my direct link over onto my Facebook so that we can chat. But my network marketing company, I want to share with you a story. It was 3 years ago, my brother had passed away, and it was the month of June, and it was June 1st that he had passed away. And because of my network marketing company, I was very checked out per se, right? Like I just wasn't available to to be, the best leader that I could be for my team, and to get the sales and the customers and all of that. And I remember it was one of my best months as a network marketer. So even though I wasn't totally with it for that month because I was grieving the loss of my brother, I still was able to make that reoccurring income because of my network marketing. Had I just focused on affiliate marketing, guess what would have happened? My income would have probably been zero because it was the efforts of nobody, right? So I do love affiliate marketing. I love doing TikTok Shop, although my account at this point right now today is shut down. So thank goodness for multiple income streams online, right? Thank goodness for network marketing. But I do love doing affiliate marketing, but I also love doing network marketing because of the reoccurring income that we get from our team once we've built a team that is large enough. So if you're looking for a network marketing company, if you're looking for an affiliate marketing company and some, things to help with the affiliate, again, in the description of this video, send me a message. I love connecting with my audience over here. Definitely make sure you send me a message and we can talk about what's best for you. I'm happy to, be a resource and a guide for you guys. I've been in this online space for over a decade, but I do recommend actually multiple income streams. I do recommend that you affiliate with a great affiliate company. And I also recommend that you build a great network marketing company, and one that allows you to, build an affiliate side of things where you don't have to necessarily build a team, but that you can build a team that offers you, a high commission rate based on your personal sales. That is me. And so I have been able to diversify, my portfolio that I offer my audience. I offer them affiliate stuff. I offer them health and wellness products. I offer them a network marketing opportunity to be able to, build that reoccurring income that is so, in my opinion, that is such gold when it comes to building an online business. So if you have any questions, definitely make sure you message me. I would love to chat with you. Do I think network marketing is dead? I don't think network marketing is dead at all. I do think that you've got to make sure that you're aligned with a company that is right and is with the times of today, because the times of today is a very weird time in this network marketing space. So definitely make sure you're, looking for a company that has a dual-sided comp plan, so you don't necessarily have to build a team. Make sure you're off a network marketing company that knows how to build online, because I think that's also very, very important in today's landscape. And I also would recommend that you affiliate with a network marketing company that gives you a very high percentage commission rate. I think those are going to be the key to sustainable long-term network marketing companies. So anyways, like I said, definitely make sure you message me. I'm always happy to answer any of the questions that you guys have. I do recommend doing both, but I recommend that you do it very strategically in terms of making sure that you're affiliating with companies for an affiliate marketing that you truly believe in, that offers value to your audience, as the same goes for your network marketing company. But make sure that you're not getting duped into, if it's more than one level deep, it's truly a network marketing company. So I hope that this was helpful. Definitely make sure you like and follow for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.